My name is Sara Jenkins. No, sorry. We are at Porchetta. We're going to make a porchetta sandwich.
Boom.
Porchetta is normally a whole pig that's deboned and stuffed with all its inner guts and lots of seasoning. And when I was trying to do this here, I was trying to figure out, like, how am I going to have an oven big enough and storage big enough in New York City for whole pigs, and then I'm going to freak Americans out with these big heads and chopped up liver. And so it's a pork loin with the belly, and it's essentially all the seasoning and all the good stuff about porchetta with none of the dubious stuff, shall we say.
All right, let's make one.
Alrighty. So step one, our happy crusty roll.
Is your bread important?
Yes. And it's also, you know, occasionally I've had people criticize us for this being the worst pulled pork sandwich they've ever had.
Good.
And I'm like, yeah, because it's not a pulled pork sandwich. So again, you know, we're really trying to get some of everything. Some lean, some fatty, some crispy skin. We're trying to give you an authentic Italian experience as much as we can.
That's it, huh?
That's it.
It's really delicious.
Do you think it's slow cooked Italian fast food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Robbie the Sammich Serini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you and see you next time.
Oh, that's good. Sandwich vendor.